This is Matt Tech Hack, and today we'll be covering how to write Arduino code in Tinkercad. I'm going to search up Tinkercad and go to tinkercad.com. Here we'll find a Tinkercad page. If you already have an Autodesk account, you can just click login, but here we'll sign up. And then what you want to do is create a personal account. There are several sign-in options that you can see below. We recommend using your university email and using sign up with email. This way, you can use that email to access other Autodesk products. And once our account is created, you'll see this page, and you can click done once you're ready to go. And now we have our account. And this is the landing page. You can make 3D design, circuit design, code block design. What you want to do here is create your first circuit design. And so just click that, and it will create a fresh page where we can make our Arduino simulator. So on the right side, you'll see Arduino Uno R3 as one of the components that we can insert. What you want to do is click that and then just drag your cursor to the middle and click again to insert. On the top near the right side, you'll see the name of this. We can just leave it as is. So you just click again on any part outside of that Arduino and that will disappear. And now what we want to do is go to the top bar on the right side and toggle code editor right here. Click that and you might see blocks initially. So you can actually program with blocks and text. What you want to do is practice programming with text. Arduino is based in C programming. It's not exactly C, but we want to be able to practice using that code in order to develop healthcare prototypes and devices. And so what you want to do is click the edit mode. Instead of blocks, you want to do text, and then it'll give you like a warning in case you were programming in blocks. So you just press continue, and here you'll have your text editor. And now you can program with text with your Arduino simulator without a physical Arduino.